Here is one more question from the unit amine. We cannot tell that the boiling point of the compound, यहाँ पे benzene है, then we are having a methanol, then we are having a primary amine which is aromatic primary amine, that is a aniline or benzamine, and then we are having the nitrobenzene. Are 80 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Celsius, 140, 84 degrees Celsius and 212 degrees Celsius respectively. So in this question, the various or the four compounds are given to us, and their boiling points are available. Which of the following will have a highest vapor pressure at a room temperature? By these questions, I almost done for the previous year question from the unit solution and the expected question for the competitive exam. Like here, the boiling point is given for benzene, that is C6H6, and which is the 80 degrees Celsius. तो यहाँ पे ये हमारा कंपाउंड है और ये इसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड कि किसका जो वेपर प्रेशर है वो सबसे ज्यादा होगा. द नेक्स्ट कंपाउंड इज मिथेनॉल, दैट इज a CH3OH, and the vapor pressure boiling point is 65 degrees Celsius. Then the third compound is aniline or benzamine, that is C6H5NH2, that is 184 degrees Celsius. And then we are having C6H5NO2, which is equal to 212 degrees Celsius. So here the boiling points are available, and we have to be tell कि which of the following will have highest, सबसे highest vapor pressure, highest vapor pressure बताना है हमने. vapor pressure, highest vapor pressure कैसे find out करेंगे if we are provided with the boiling point? The compound which is easily getting evaporated or the compound which is evaporated at the lowest temperature will have the highest vapor pressure, because जो जल्दी से evaporate ही नहीं होगा उसका vapor pressure जल्दी नहीं बनेगा. So see, like here in this beaker we are having this any compound यहाँ पे है. If at a lower temperature it start evaporating, and now they are available, the molecules are available in a vapor phase and they are creating a pressure on the liquid phase. तो जो जितनी जल्दी evaporate हो जाएगा वो उतना ज़्यादा वेपर प्रेशर क्रिएट करेगा. जब तक जैसे कि यहाँ पे जो बेंजीन है 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस मीन्स इट नीड टेम्परेचर, रूम टेम्परेचर की बात कर रही हैं. हियर द क्वेश्चन सेज कि एट रूम टेम्परेचर, नॉर्मली at room temperature means in a summer we are having a 45, 47, 48. तो यहाँ पे ये फिर भी इसका boiling point ही तो boil होना start हो जाएगा. तो it is evaporating and the molecule in a vapor phase creating the pressure on it. तो जितना जल्दी या जितना कम किसी का boiling point है उतना ज़्यादा उसका vapor pressure है. तो यहाँ पे logic क्या है? lowest the boiling point, highest is the vapor pressure. जितना कम किसी का boiling point होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा उसका प्रेशर होगा. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम बेंजीन की बात करें उसे 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर चाहिए, एंड वी आर आस्क अबाउट अ रूम टेम्परेचर, देन वी आर हैविंग अ 65 फॉर मिथेनॉल, फॉर बेंजामाइन और एनालीन वी आर हैविंग 184 डिग्री सेल्सियस, and for nitrobenzene we are having a 212 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो सबसे लोएस्ट जो प्रेशर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है वो मिथेनॉल का है, और हाईएस्ट इसका क्या हो जाएगा, वेपर प्रेशर, क्योंकि ये जल्दी से इवोपरेट होगा और जो मॉलिक्यूल वेपर फेस में है दे विल क्रिएट द प्रेशर ऑन इट, तो इसका हाईएस्ट वेपर प्रेशर होगा। लेट्स सी कि इन विच ऑप्शन हाईएस्ट वेपर प्रेशर, in which option we are getting methanol. So let's start with the option D, that is a nitrobenzene, which is not a correct. Then we are having aniline, which is not matching with our what we are saying the reason. And then for B we are having a methanol, which is a correct, because here the reason is that the lowest boiling point, high the vapor pressure. So methanol is correct. As usually I am saying that before opting any option as a correct, we have to be look the rest or the remaining हमारा option है, that is A and a benzene, which is having a more boiling point as compared to methanol. तो इस जो question है इसका जो answer है that is the B, methanol.